Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can easily find playlist watch later on YouTube. Subscribe to our channel, give us your likes, write your comments, and let's get started. And let me tell you right away that this watch later on YouTube feature can be found on both iPhone and Android. First of all, open up your YouTube. And then select the video that you would like to watch later. After that, click on it. And at the bottom, you will see that you have a list like this underneath the video of what you can do with it. And then you'll see that you can save the video or you can save the playlist. So you click Save. And then, where can I find it? In order to find the Watch Later playlist, you need to go from your main YouTube page to yours. Here you'll see Section Playlists and click All Playlists. Here you will see that there is a playlist called Watch Later. You click on that. And you'll see all the videos or all the playlists that you've saved to watch later on YouTube. And you just click on any playlist and it plays immediately. If you no longer want any video to be in the playlist, then you can delete it very easily. To do this, all you have to do is click on the three dots near the playlist, next to the video, for example, and then you select Delete from Watch Later folder. And that's it. Instantly that video will be removed from that playlist. That's the way to find the Watch Later playlist on your YouTube. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel. Also write your comments and don't forget to leave your likes. See you soon, friends.